Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow extensions in incognito mode on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Google Chrome web browser and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Select the Details button for the extension you want to allow in incognito mode. And then you want to scroll down and where it says Allow in Incognito, you can toggle that to the on position by turning this gray oval into a blue oval by just left clicking inside of it one time, and then it will be allowed in incognito mode. If you want to disable it in incognito mode in the future, just come back into the settings window here and then toggle this one more time to the off position, which should be represented here by a gray oval overlaid by a white circle. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.